Alright. Joe, why don't you show the rotary clamp and unclamp on the work holding fixture? So that's clamped now? Mm-hmm. Alright, then go ahead and bring the table in. Bring that in and out again. I want to show the readout working. Alright, bring it back in. Okay, why don't you turn the spindle on? Alright, and that's got a variable speed pod on it. Why don't you bring the speed up and down? Okay. Alright, let's show that oscillation.
You can vary that too if you want.
Yeah, you can change the speed on that.
Yes.
Okay. And then we have the camera trained on that point, reading out up there. So if we unclamp this, this gets freed up to rotate. You can see that moving up on your scale as you grind back and forth. There's your camera, which has an adjustable position. Alright, go ahead and stop the oscillation. And let's show them the manual adjustment in and out of that slide. Okay. Another little guy. Okay. And then show the elevation and the... So that's bringing it up and down.
Mm-hmm.
Do that again. Okay, and then show the tilt of that spindle. And that's got a scale over here. Okay. And go ahead and kick the table back out.